Okay, so you can't see me, but I'm about to show you how you can put subtitles just like this. Hold up. I love you. How to put subtitles just like that. I'm going to show you in 3, 2, 1.
So, if you're wondering how to put subtitles on anything,
you're afraid for them to not understand what you're saying, you download any editing app, and it should have a words text. You tap that. Now, for instance, if you was to say I, put I, and if you want to change your logo, this is how you do it. But
change the color, we'll change the actual font to
I'm gonna just switch it simple like this.
And then
you slide it over a little bit. There you go.
There.
Go over here a little bit, just teensy bit, and then love, and then down, and then YOU, or just you, but you could do YOU. It'd be better. Now, if you want to edit it, like make it like pop a little bit, you just you click this little pencil up here, go over to the 3 dots. It should be anything. There you go. And then another one. You click the pencil, 3 dots. There you go. Another one. Click the pencil, 3 dots. There you go. You can do anything you want. Oops. You can do basically anything you want. And then now, let's look at it. Okay, so you can't see me, but I'm about to show you. Boom. How to put subtitles on anything you want. It'll be a little work, but it'll be worth it. So if you enjoyed this little quick peep, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell. I'll see y'all on the next one.
No,
And bye.